Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, your ultimate destination for luxury home tours across the USA. Today, we are stepping inside a breathtaking custom-built estate near Greenville, South Carolina, featuring 5 spacious bedrooms, 6 elegant bathrooms, and over 5,014 square feet of meticulously designed living space. Every corner of this home reflects modern luxury, comfort, and timeless design. As the drone lifts into the air, the front elevation of the house immediately captures your attention. The combination of gray stonework, silver metallic accents, and warm brown wooden textures gives the home a sophisticated yet inviting appearance. A serene prayer garden in the front yard adds a tranquil touch, perfect for quiet reflection. Manicured landscaping, wide driveways, and architectural symmetry make this property a true statement of luxury in the Greenville area. Walking up to the grand entrance, you are greeted by modern double doors with silver handles and brown wooden panels. As you step inside, natural light floods the spacious foyer, highlighting the high ceilings, elegant flooring, and premium finishes. This welcoming entrance sets the tone for the luxurious experience that awaits throughout the house. The formal living room is immediately striking, with its open layout, high ceilings, soft gray walls, silver decor accents, and brown wooden flooring. It's perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying a quiet afternoon in style. Adjacent to this space is the TV lounge, designed for family comfort and casual relaxation. Large sofas, modern lighting, and a cohesive gray, silver, and brown color palette create an inviting atmosphere for movie nights or intimate gatherings. The chef-inspired kitchen is the heart of the home, featuring sleek gray cabinets, high-end silver appliances, and a large brown marble island. Connected seamlessly to the dining area, the space is perfect for both daily meals and formal dinners. Modern pendant lighting above the dining table enhances the elegance, while the open concept keeps the home feeling spacious and connected. The master suite offers a luxurious retreat, with gray walls, a brown wooden bed, silver accent lighting, and large windows that flood the room with soft daylight. It's the perfect combination of serenity and style, designed for ultimate relaxation. Each of the additional bedrooms is equally impressive, offering ample space, modern finishes, and the same gray-silver-brown color palette to maintain consistency and luxury throughout the home. With 6 meticulously designed bathrooms, this home provides spa-like comfort in every corner. Gray marble tiles, silver fixtures, and brown vanities create a cohesive, high-end aesthetic. Glass showers and soaking tubs add a touch of indulgence, while attention to detail ensures that each bathroom feels both functional and luxurious. Fitness enthusiasts will appreciate the private home gym, which features gray walls, silver machines, brown wooden flooring, and large windows that bring in natural light. It's a perfect space to maintain an active lifestyle without leaving home. The garage is spacious, thoughtfully organized, and designed to accommodate multiple vehicles, all while matching the premium finishes of the rest of the estate. Stepping outside, the swing pool area offers a perfect blend of relaxation and entertainment. The pool features silver railings, gray tiles, and brown accents, surrounded by lounge spaces ideal for hosting guests or enjoying quiet family evenings. This resort-style outdoor area completes the ultimate luxury lifestyle experience that this home provides. From the serene prayer garden to the elegant interiors, spa-like bathrooms, a chef-inspired kitchen, spacious bedrooms, private gym, and resort-style outdoor living, every detail of this Greenville estate has been carefully curated to offer a sophisticated and comfortable lifestyle. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible luxury home tours from American Dream Mansions. We showcase the most stunning custom-built homes across the USA, giving you inspiration for design, architecture, and lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next breathtaking estate.